we're gonna do instruments. If y'all did not know, I was the master of instruments. I knew music all my life, most of my life. So age 5, 6, knew how to play the drums, piano, cymbals. I didn't know how to do the triangle though, but I did know how to do. I play all the drums: snare, tenor, and the bass drum. And if y'all didn't know, it was like a line. So the snares is in the front row, tenors is right behind it, the second row, and the bass drums you stand on the side and just doom doom. That was my favorite one because you in the back, but it don't matter because I was never camera shy like I told y'all. So we gonna see. So this looks good. You see how they give you the answers, the options. That's what we're looking for. I don't know that many instrument sounds, so this should be good. Y'all know what happened yesterday with the that's drums. All right, go wait. That's maracas. All right, let's get annoying. Come on, yeah, I knew how to play maracas too. All right, let's do process of elimination. Wait, y'all can't see me again. Hold on. Okay, see, y'all can't see me. I don't know what's going on. Hey, chat, just vibe with me, all right? Slow day today. Slow day today. Slow day today. Just vibe with me. All right. This sounds okay. Let's do process of elimination. We know it's not a drum. We know it's not a trumpet. It's not a guitar. It's not that. So it got to be the xylophone. Easy. All right. Yeah, they play this in the movies. They do. In those Western movies, real niggas know. They play that sound and then like the wind turbine, that roll. Yeah, we know. But what is this? It's guitar, right? Okay. They play this in the commercials. Um, I'm guessing the violin, right? That can't be no trumpet, cause I played the trumpet in middle school. That don't sound like it. And then I knew how to read the notes too. Y'all didn't know. So it's like at the start of it, it's like a low sound, and then you go here, then you go here, then you go here. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4. But y'all don't know how to read music though. That okay? Just like that. Y'all don't know. That's from Assassin's Creed, and I hope I don't. I hope this ain't copyright. YouTube, don't start it. All right, please. Come on. But actually, I don't know what this is. I'm gonna guess the flute. All right. It's like a Tetris. Um, it's not no. I guess it's. Hold on. It can't be no piano, right? It's not a piano. It can't be. So it's this. Okay. All right. But that was a bit too easy though. So now let's do another one. Oh wait, no. Wait, we can do like this. Like guess it. Like guess the instruments on how they look too. It's loading. Still loading. Oh, oh, okay. I didn't know that I had to scroll down. All right, all right. Yeah, I want me to read them. If you think you know musical instruments very well, then our guess the music instrument quiz is here to test your knowledge. I know 90%. Like, watch how I'm gonna ace this though, because it's too easy. This quiz challenges you to identify different instruments based on pictures. See, now we're doing pictures now instead of sounds. I don't know how the last one is piano though. You'll encounter a wide range of instruments from common ones like the guitar and piano to less familiar ones like the sitar and the a carna. Each question is crafted to enhance your musical literacy and appreciation, making it an excellent tool for both personal learning and classroom use. This quiz is an effective way for students and music enthusiasts. See, I know how to read. You just sounded off. To reinforce their knowledge and discover new aspects of music. It's also structured to provide immediate feedback, helping you learn as you go. Sharpen your senses and prepare to challenge yourself. It's time to see how well you can identify these musical instruments. Let's get started. Let's get started. Okay. Now it could be the cello. The cello. It could be. Let's just do process of. Actually, I don't know what this is, so we just gonna guess. These look very familiar, and they're giving us the answers. Look, you see how it says C, right? Okay, so I'm gonna try not to scroll far. What is going on? Just did that for no reason again. All right. This is a no. It's not an organ. A organ is like this or this. So it got to be the keyboard. I know I'm right. It's loading. Told you. Come on. All right, go to next. This, all right, it's a bagpipe because y'all know from iCarly when the principal, I guess that was the principal, when they snuck in the house, they caught her doing this with the pipes, or she was step dancing or whatever. But I think it's this. I guarantee you, it's this. See, come on, we acing it. All right. I hope that they not give us the answer if we scroll all the way down there. All right. This is a harp. That's easy. You know, that's what the angels be playing. Like the actors be playing the angels. They be playing them. Because it's none of these. I'm 3 for 3. See, don't get mad because I'm getting these right. And now y'all think I'm cheating. I'm just too good. I just know. I told y'all no instruments. Now, if they would have said how it sounds, then yeah, that's different. Okay, now like we said earlier, I think remember is this. Because remember when I was reading for no right? I was reading for no reason, then I scrolled down and they gave us the answer. So, oh wait, hold on. Okay, so I guess that's wrong. All right, let's just make sure. No, it got four strings on it. It's not a. I know it's not a violin. Yeah. What is going on? So I just, technical. Technical difficulties. Let's see. Okay. So we can let's just try it again. But we're gonna do another one though. So we did that one and we did that one. So sounds of musical instruments quiz are identify the sounds. All right. This is the last one. I can't hear nothing. All right, Chuck. Let's just but we can't quit. We can't quit. Yeah, so this is the last one. Cause I was just about to just say, all right, this next segment. This sound like the clarinet from from SpongeBob. Squidward be playing this, but then it sounds like a trombone. Yeah, that's not a trumpet. Hold on, it's a trombone. They didn't even see if we got it right. That's the bongo. This, I don't know. This is the piano. I'm guessing the clarinet. No, this the clarinet. It's this. That's that where you hit the drumstick on it. That's the that's trumpet. I just hope that they're not. Okay, yeah, I figure we got two wrong. I was about to say they're just gonna make it just keep going. Okay, nice little segment.